To add page titles and descriptions on WordPress, you're first going to want to make sure that you've got Yoast SEO installed as a plugin, and that can be found on the left here. You then want to navigate to your chosen page, and as you can see, you've got a tab saying Yoast SEO. So first of all, we're going to enter a key phrase. Then going to scroll down and you'll see a section under Edit Snippet called SEO Title. So here we're going to put the title. You're going to want to include some good relevant keywords in here relating to the page. In the meta description, you're going to want something similar to the SEO title, but as you can see, it needs to be a lot longer. You need to make sure also that your SEO title and meta description reflect what's on the page. And you can see here that you've got a little icon, and at the minute it's okay. Now if you click on this arrow here, you'll be able to see some good suggestions from Yoast as to where you can improve on your SEO. So that's how you add in an SEO title and a meta description